How to remove Snapchat app quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to remove Snapchat app from your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, keep in mind when you will be deleting the app, you will be removing the app, your data will be lost too. If you want to keep your data, if you want to take snaps and memories, you will actually have to download it again. But if you have made your mind and you want to simply remove the app from your phone, then first of all you will log out of your account and then it will actually take you out right here. So you have to close the app and it will show you the app on your mobile phone. Now it can be done on an Android phone or iOS. I am using an Android phone right now. So we have different options to uninstall an app, and there are a lot of ways. First of all, you can go to your settings, go to your app management, click on uninstall, and you can uninstall the app. It depends on your settings of your phone. Then we have an option where you can just press on the app and it gives you the option of delete. Click on delete, it will ask you to uninstall the app. Or what you can do is you can also open up your Play Store or Apple Store, get to Snapchat, and you will get the option of uninstall from here. Click on uninstall and the application will be removed from your mobile phone. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.